Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to enhance our vocabulary by learning 15 new words with the letter C. So let's begin. The first word is cajole. Cajole is a verb. Its meaning is to make somebody do something by talking to them and being very nice to them. Its sentence could be, he really knows how to cajole people into doing what he wants. The second word is candid. Candid is an adjective. Its meaning is saying what you think openly and honestly. Its sentence could be, the politician gave a candid speech at the rally. The third word is caricature. Caricature is a noun. Its meaning is a funny drawing or picture of somebody that exaggerates some of their features. Its sentence could be, we laughed at the caricature of the movie star. The fourth word is cease. Cease is a verb. Its meaning is to stop happening or existing. Its sentence could be, the factory will cease operations this autumn. The fifth word is charisma. Charisma is a noun. Its meaning is the powerful personal quality that some people have to attract and impress others. Its sentence could be, the president has great personal charisma. The sixth word is clique. Clique is a noun. Its meaning is a small group of people who spend their time together and do not allow others to join them. Its sentence could be, the club is dominated by a small clique of intellectuals. The seventh word is colossal. Colossal is an adjective. Its meaning is extremely large. Its sentence could be, the singer earns a colossal amount of money. The eighth word is commence. Commence is a verb. Its meaning is to begin to happen or to begin something. Its sentence could be, the festivities will commence with a parade. The ninth word is cordial. Cordial is an adjective. Its meaning is pleasant and friendly. Its sentence could be, we were given a cordial welcome by the hotel staff. The 10th word is covert. Covert is an adjective. Its meaning is secret or hidden, making it difficult to notice. Its sentence could be, he has taken part in a number of covert military operations. The 11th word is credible. Credible is an adjective. Its meaning is that can be believed or trusted. Its sentence could be, we have received credible information about the group's location. The 12th word is culminate. Culminate is a verb. Its meaning is to end with a particular result or at a particular point. Its sentence could be, their summer tour will culminate at a spectacular concert in New York. The 13th word is cumbersome. Cumbersome is an adjective. Its meaning is large and heavy or difficult to carry. Its sentence could be, we both are required to wear heavy, cumbersome diving suits along with a huge helmet. The 14th word is cursory. Cursory is an adjective. Its meaning is done quickly and without giving enough attention to details. Its sentence could be, the mayor gave a cursory glance at the report. And the 15th word is cynical. Cynical is an adjective. Its meaning is believing that people only do things to help themselves rather than for good or honest reasons. Its sentence could be, why do you have to be so cynical about everything? That brings us to the end of today's video. How many of these words did you already know? Do let me know in the comment section. I'll be back with more words in my next video. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel English is Easy with Jaya Chanani, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.